Hello everyone, I'm back again with another fresh video to help you understand some logic behind what we talk about and we want to understand. Today I'm going to cover up a topic of concentration which is going to just not help you but to help your people around you. My name is Ayushi Roide and I'm a soft skills professional. I run a soft skills training academy named Charismatic Addict LLP in Mumbai and we have a branch in Ranchi. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do that and also like and share so let other people also know how we deal into soft skills on a daily basis. Concentration is a word too small, however, lasts with a greater meaning. Concentration gives you that energy and impact of understanding and help develop yourself within the set period of time and the environment. How to utilize your timings while you are in a zone from where you cannot move. We know there is a crisis going on, a challenging things has been faced by us so far and we are still facing and are going to face a little more longer time. Now the question is, how do you define concentration for your level? Do you think the kids and you and your people around you are concentrating well enough in their own core subjects? If you think yes, please doubt about it. Think again. If you are doing it really right, absolutely right, and you feel that there is no problem at all, then definitely you have done a workload for yourself. You have completed that workload for yourself and you have well done about the task. Now for those who have not really thought about it and are still facing challenges, this video is going to be perhaps helpful for you. How to make that concentration level important. Make a zone, a separate room, a separate place, a separate corner for your child, for him or her to learn and access all the learnings, whatever is coming up from the school's level through online classes. We know that we are not habituated of online classes in India. However, there are countries who only depend on online classes and classes through the medium of gadgets, and they are still doing well. We are doing well too because the classroom studies, we know the face-to-face studies are more important and definitely gives a lot of energies to exchange. Now since we know that we have no other options than online classes, specify the time the classes are going to be, make a morning routine or afternoon or evening how the kids have to play their role. For example, if in the morning sessions they are busy, please fix a time for the breakfast, time for the mini brunch in between or the breaks that they have from the online classes, they get it from the schools. Also, let them focus on what they are. Increase the energy of understanding that the gadgets play an important role at this point of a time, and if they are utilizing the gadgets in a positive manner of learning and understanding and developing themselves through the schools or through teachers or other different modes of communications, I'm sure they would know that this is what they are absolutely doing it right. They should be given the more power of exchange of energies through verbal communications. Boost their energies. Tell them how different it is, how beautiful it is to have session classes sitting at your own place and having good time with your comfort zone through your own comfort zone. This will help improve the concentration level of the child. At the first place, for first few days, definitely it will be not easy. However, once the person gets coordinated with what happens, they will get habituated for the same. The habits will be for a better thing. It is not about only using the gadgets for mobiles like the gadgets like mobiles or laptops or other things for watching videos or YouTube or other channels, but also help themselves learn what has been taught in the class on that particular day. Second, the concentration level for your own self also depends on the same. When we know we are at home and we try to practice our work from home, we end up having a lot of tea and a lot of cups of teas and coffees and a lot of things. There are a lot of disturbances happening. We cannot ditch those disturbances, but we definitely can help ourselves improvise and also improve our level of concentrations by improving our skills through the medium of communications that we are using. For example, if you are using the laptops, we know that this is the time which we have to have the meeting. This is the time when I have to send a mail, and sending that mail, it is important for us to understand the timings and the time zone. If you focus more on what you know and what you have, you still will be able to balance it. Coming to the children again, if the child is not really willing to sit through the system to learn, make it more impactful. Try to provide with a material, for example, a copy and a pen. Ask him to write notes. That's how news channel, the journalist and other people do. If they do it, increase their habit of learning and exercising it into writing. If you do that, this practice will make them more concentrate and into the behavioral traits of helping each other. If they help themselves, they are going to seriously help the teachers and others to have a beautiful and a peaceful class. Similarly, coming to the working professionals, if you're working from home, make sure that whenever you decide to work, you have chosen the right place for your own self, you have chosen the right duties for your own self, and you practically have chosen the time zone for you and your family members. We all have to balance this out at this point of a time. We cannot ditch each other. We cannot ditch the timings for our companies and for schools and colleges. It is important for us to help ourselves and help the others for a better living and for a better world which is going to come. I hope this video was also useful for you. If it was useful for you, do drop in your comments in the comment sections and let us know more about what you think about and which topic to cover in the next video. Till then, see you, take care, bye bye.